What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the first week of the 250k account series. Now, we did end up trading starting this week on these two accounts. I didn't end up trading Monday. Today is Tuesday, just because both of these days I was at work, and Monday I didn't really see any opportunities when I woke up, and when I was going to work I didn't see any sort of opportunities, so I didn't end up trading Monday. However, today I did see an opportunity and we decided to enter on some shorts. So I woke up around 8 a.m. and around 8:05 a.m. is when I placed my trade. So basically this candle over here, I believe. I got in a bit late. There was a bit of a spread, so I kind of got in a bit late here. I had my stop losses above these highs just because I could allow that extra room. And my initial take profit was these lows down here, this liquidity level down here. However, I wanted to kind of hit that $4,500 mark for my consistency rule because I can't make over 4,500, but I also want to make 4,500, so I'm closer to passing this challenge. So I held it for a bit longer, and luckily it ended up going straight to take profit, hitting our take profit. We made around $4,500 today, as we can see. As of now, both accounts are sitting, the first one at 152 and the second one at 151, just because they were in a little bit of a loss, so they're not both at 4,500. I'm pretty happy still with where we are at. And yeah, that is basically Tuesday. We didn't end up trading Monday, we ended up trading today, caught some nice shorts to the downside, and I will see you guys all in the next clip. So see you guys soon. What's going on, guys, and welcome to Wednesday's live trading video. We're currently in some sells on NASDAQ here. I'm kind of down on the day, $1,300. That's just because I've been trying to catch these sells and it just hasn't been working out. So we're gonna give this sell over here a chance. Hopefully it flips bearish and doesn't hit our stop loss, is what I'm hoping for. But yeah, I mean, I've been trying to catch these sells and it just hasn't been working out. That's why I'm down $1,300. Let's just see what happens and let this trade run. We have our take profit level set at that 50% consistency rule of 4,500. But of course, if I do notice anything, I will get out the position earlier than my take profit level. I'll bring you guys back when something does happen. Okay, looks like we might hit stop loss here. Yep, okay, stop loss got hit. I'm done trading. I'm not doing this no more. It's so stupid. Like I said, I was just trying to catch sells to the downside, and I'm down 2,200 on the day. Not proud of it, don't mind it. Better than trying to be down 2,500 or 3,000, just because I'm trying to pass these a lot quicker, so I'm risking a bit more. The bounce is sitting at 149 for the first account, 148 for the second account, which is not doing too well. It's not doing good, guys. Yeah, so that concludes Wednesday's trading. Just to recap everything, was looking for sells. So I tried selling over here, did not work out. I tried selling over here, did not work out. And then our final sell over here, and it did not work out. So we call it a day and we move on. We come back tomorrow. So I'll see you guys all tomorrow. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Thursday. We are in some NASDAQ buys to the upside. As you can see, we are trying to aim for the 4,500 or 50% consistency rule mark. I'm gonna be honest, I did wake up and I was trading before this trade.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
And I ended up blowing the 250k accounts. I had hit the maximum violation on one of the accounts and this one as well. So I went ahead and reused my reset credit, and we're back in for some more, buys over here as well. Now we'll see what happens. Oh God, this red candle is the absolute worst. Look at this red candle. Yeah, like I was saying, I did end up blowing both of the 150k accounts, to just be honest with you guys. And I did end up purchasing another reset credit because I did have faith in this sort of play over here, getting that reversal to the upside going. We will see what happens. I may end up closing my position. Oh wow, look at that nastiness. Oh damn. Well, stop loss got hit. I'm done trading. I don't want to lose this account anymore. I really don't want to lose this account. So we ended up hitting our stop loss, and here I was thinking we might go to full TP, but it is what it is. It happens, you know. But that was a lot. Let me just explain to you what basically happened. So I basically woke up, came on my trading station. I noticed a setup occurring right over here. So I decided to take an aggressive entry. Right over there was my entry. Stops were just below here. Take profit was somewhere up here. And I was risking a lot more on this trade. I think I was risking around $2,000, $2,500 in the hopes that I can quickly get to that $4,500 mark. I know the word quickly is being thrown around like I'm not supposed to do it, but I've explained this in multiple videos. I'm okay with blowing accounts because I want to pass challenges a lot quicker. I will just buy another challenge and pass it again, or try to pass it again. I don't mind blowing accounts within a couple days or within a week. I'm totally okay with it. I don't want to be spending 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks to try to pass an account to then maybe within another 4 or 5 weeks to blow it in the express funded account. I would much rather try to pass it quickly, get some money out of it, and rinse and repeat basically. So I'm totally fine with blowing these accounts. It doesn't affect me in any way. For beginner traders out there, it's a bit different. You've been told to take your time with it, whatever is in your trading plan. So I'm fine with blowing accounts. If you guys are not, take your time, take it slow and pass it. But going back into this, right over here is where I saw this opportunity. I was risking around basically my maximum loss limit. I was risking my entire maximum loss limit, and it ended up just reversing, just like how this trade right over here did. It sucks. What can you do about it? It happens within the market. I followed my plan. The closure did end up happening. Took an aggressive entry, and there was no follow-up with the momentum to the upside. And then I took this trade over here, same thing, aggressive entry. So let me just get rid of this one. Stops were below here, and basically take profit was at that $4,500 mark. We started to get some nice momentum. This bullish hammer started to form. We started to get some nice momentum to the upside. However, as we all saw within the live trading, it reversed, hit our stop loss, and it wants to continue on going down. So it is what it is. We call it a day, and I will come back Friday. So I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye. All right, guys, we are on next week, Monday, and we are currently in a trade to the downside. We are down on one challenge account. We've lost the other account here. It says that's ineligible. So yeah, we only have one account on the board remaining, and let's see if this can come out with a W. So far, it's looking like it's going in our direction, but we don't know. I'm risking, what is that, $975? Trying to make that 50% consistency target of 4,500 and then call it a day. But I feel like it might bounce off the 50, so I'll bring you guys back when something does happen. All right, guys, seems like we might hit stop loss here. There we are. Stop loss got hit, down $983 on the day. I'll see if another setup occurs to the downside. I'll go ahead and enter again. I don't mind risking a bit more or blowing this other account. Like I said multiple times, I'm fine with blowing multiple accounts. I just want to be able to pass these challenges a lot quicker, so instead of taking my time. It's also a good little reset. I'm probably going to go back down to the 50k accounts. The only reason why I went with 150k accounts is because I had 4 reset credits. It made sense to go with the most expensive account, because if I did end up blowing them, I could just reset them for free instead of paying 150. But since I have no more reset credits available, I will be going down to the 50k accounts and trading those. So we will see if another setup occurs. I will bring you guys back. Okay, so for some reason my charts are really messed up right now. I don't know why. I don't know why they're messed up, but I had a look on TradingView and everything seems to be working fine. We're back into some shorts here, but my charts are all messed up. This would be our final trade if it does not end up going in our favor. I'm hoping it goes in our favor, but if it doesn't, then it'll be our final trade and we'll end up probably blowing the account because we are 1,500 away from blowing the account. So let's see what happens. I will bring you guys back when something does happen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think this concludes the 250k challenge series. As we can all see, I have ended up making this account ineligible for funding. Am I sad? Yeah, a little bit. I'm a little bit sad because we didn't even make it to a second episode. This has all been done on the first episode and we ended up blowing the account. Now this has been blown over a course of about a week and about a day. It is what it is. I will probably take some time off from recording any sort of trading and just trade on my own. I'll still be producing content for you guys, but I think I won't be doing any more series or challenges or any of that. I feel like anytime I set up a camera, it just demoralizes me. anytime I record one of these, because every time I lose, I feel so bad that I'm losing in front of you guys. And I don't know, I feel like I should be always winning in front of you guys, showing you the positives of trading, but this is the reality of it. Most of the time you lose when it comes to day trading, and it just makes me sad that 681 of you guys are witnessing me lose. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna stop or take a little bit of a break from live trading or doing any more series. I'm gonna conclude this series and trade on my own. However, like I said, the content won't be stopping. I'll still be producing some bangers. I do have a video coming out with me trading on the iPad. I will also have another video coming out with me trading on my MacBook and trading on my phone. They won't be incorporated in any sort of series. They'll be standalone videos. So I do have some content planned for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this series, have learned something, or are sharing this heartfelt moment with me, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really does mean a lot to me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take some time off from recording any sort of live trading or challenge series or any of that, and just trade on my own pace and do my own thing, so I don't have the pressure of failing in front of people, so I can fail on my own. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and goodbye.